Hello, you're going to take a True Colors test today, as you probably already are aware. Once you get to this slide on your screen, it's going to ask you to open up your score sheet on Canvas. And there are 10 questions. You're going to use these later, but in essence, you're going to want to scroll down to this section right here. That is where you're going to put your scores in. So coming back to your Nearpod, once you've located that, you're going to be prompted to look at some collages, which is on the next slide. And there are a few pictures. You're going to look at picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, and you're going to analyze which one is the most like you and order them from greatest to least. And at the end, you're going to be asked to put those scores on your spreadsheet. So let's just say right now that this blue is most likely like me, then the gold, then green, then orange. The blue would be a 4, the gold would be a 3, green would be a 2, and orange would be a 1. I would then go back into my spreadsheet and I would put my scores. You see where it says picture right here? So blue is my 4. I would put a 4 right here. Gold would be a 3. And I think green was a 2. And orange would be a 1. Notice that I'm just putting them, this is the most likely like me, this is the least like me. Then you're going to go back to your Nearpod and you're going to go to the next slide. And we want to go and look at the explanations in the same way. You can see which is blue, gold, green, and orange. And you're going to read each one and you can pull up those slides. Very simple. Okay, and then at the end, it's going to ask you to again order them. Let's say I ordered it differently. So I go back to my spreadsheet. Now I go to the overview, the second row. And let's say that this time orange was most like me. So I put a 4 there. Let's say green was the next most like me, blue is a 2, and gold was a 1. Now you notice on the bottom here that it's populating your scores for you. Just want to warn you to make sure that you do not ever put anything in these bottom 2 rows because there's a mathematical equation that will help you for later. Later on, you're going to be asked to go up here and answer some questions based on your personality. I'm going to do it right now for me. When I have to make a decision, I like to make it quickly and get on, take my time, gather the facts, see how other people feel about it, then choose what's best for everybody, consider what was done before, and proceed carefully. I would say that this one is most like me, so I'm going to put a 4, and then I'm going to say probably consider what was done before and proceed carefully would be a 3, and then make it quickly would be a 2, and I'd not necessarily going to try to make a decision based on everybody. So every time I do this, there's going to be 1, 2, and 1, 4, and 1, 3, and so on. I never want to repeat a number. You look at the bottom while I'm doing this, it's automatically populating my scores, and at the end, you're going to have a total number on the bottom that you're going to be asked to report your 2 strongest colors. So again, I repeat, these rows, do not do anything with them or the spreadsheet will not work for you. Good luck.